Okay, so this next part is about how to define the other shapes of your face and how to start layering different shapes and getting different values for those. Okay, so what I did was to get the shape of my hair and the shape of my neck and the shape of the shirt. All I did was I went in with the curve tool. I would go and define those points around for the shape that I want. And then what I would do, I'll hit escape if I've got that little line. And then what I'll do is I'll take it and I'll drag it over to where I was. So that's what that shape is. So I did that for my bottom of my bun, my earrings, my neck, and my shirt. So all I did was hit that curve select tool, grab those edges, and then just bring them over, okay? Just like I just did. So I'm going to take that, I'm going to delete that, so I just select it, and then I just hit backspace because I don't need that anymore. And then what I did is I just went in and selected the different color that I wanted from the base color for my hair and my earring and my shirt by selecting the color tool or the fill tool here, and then I'm going to take out my border color. I'm going to make those transparent. So I'm just going to do that here. Alrighty. So the next thing I'm going to do is zoom in, and I'm going to zoom in over here, and I'm going to get the middle tones. So which is the areas here, like around my cheek. It's not the highlight, but it's not the base color as well. So I'm going to pick a few more shapes to get for my face. So I'm going to go curve, and then I'm just going to pick up some basic shapes that I can add in here. And it's like wherever you see a little value change here. So I'm going to go around here. And then I'm going to connect that. And then I'm going to zoom back out. Then I'm going to hit my select tool, and I'm going to drag this over here. It's going to look funny at first, but that's okay. And then what I'm going to do is erase that outline, and then I'm going to go to my color sampler, okay, and then I'm going to grab a little lighter, go into that red tone, and then I'm going to get a little bit lighter than what I had. Hit OK, and then there's that, okay. And like I said, don't worry about it if it doesn't match up perfectly. We'll make it fit. All right, then I'm going to go in and grab another little area, few areas here for the shapes over here. So I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to grab my curve tool. All right, then I'm going to go in and pick some more shapes. I'm going to get this shadow right here. I'm going to select another one. You can do more than one shape at a time. So I'm going to pick this one over here. There's another shape that I like. Just remember to connect your shapes. Okay, so I'm going to go pick another shape right over here. I'm going to get the shape of my cheek here. All right, I'm going to zoom out. and I'm going to select tool. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to go transparent on the outlines. Nope, I've got a little snag. There we go. I'll go select, go this one, transparent. And then what I'm going to do is just start bringing these over here and then getting some different colors in here. So I'm going to go right here, bring that over. I'm going to go right here and I'm going to bring that over here. And then I'm going to take this one and bring it over here. So that looks like it's a next step. Let's see. This one's going to get just a little bit lighter. So I'm going to pick one that's just a little bit lighter than that one. Hit OK. I'm going to fill that in. I'm going to go right here and select one that's that middle one right there. And then this one right here is going to be darker because that's my chin. That shadow there. So I'm going to pick one that's a little bit darker than the first one I made. And it's just going to be a basic shape. And all these are going to be ordered and layered and so on. So I'm going to just continue working on getting my basic shapes in here. And then I'll show you how to do your nose and your eyes as well. Now, if yours starts doing that, you can just hit the escape button or hit the back button and delete the shapes that you don't like. All right, now I'm going to go here. All right, I'm going to zoom back out. And then I'm going to zoom out. And then I'm going to hit the curve or the select button, select it up, take it transparent outline. I'm going to get cheek color over here, pop that on over here. And do the same thing. And that gets a little wider right there. And bring that right there. See, it looks a little funny at first, but we're going to keep building those layers. Okay. Next, I am going to show you guys how to define your eyes and your nose and your mouth and add all those details in. And then lastly, I'll show you all how to refine your eyes and your nose and your mouth, how to kind of do some true free transforming around the shapes to define those. And then I'll show you how to insert and finish with your background.